Good morning, everyone. Now, dear, we are going to start public facilities. And yesterday, we have discussed the role of the government regarding the public facilities. And today, we'll discuss water supply in Chennai is available for all or not. Today, we'll discuss the certain point. Water supply in Chennai city, it is available for all not. So, dear, water supply in Chennai is marked by the shortage. There was the water shortage in Chennai, and municipal supply meets only about the half the needs. Whatever needs are required, municipalities supply only half of needs to the city or average. So there was, we can say, municipal party unable to supply water supply according to their needs. Means upper needs they supply the water. And another one main issue inside the Chennai, whatever area which face the water shortage problem in Chennai, there was the most of area were poor. So why the such problem faced by only poor locality? Why not a rich locality? So another one part we are going to discuss regarding the water supply to Chennai. So in where the water shortage problem was faced, most of area they were poor. And in search of alternative, the scenario shortage has changed. And during the summer month, it is common in cities. Water shortage is common problem in Chennai city. So this one is the third point regarding the water supply in Chennai. First, we have discussed APEN needs according whatever needs they required for for water. So Chennai municipality supply only the AP needs or average water to the citizen. Another one, water shortage problem was faced by Chennai city. It is mostly that area which were the poor only. So why the such problem will concern with the poor locality? Third one, all city face the water shortage problem during the summer because during the summer our water needs may be increased. The shortage of municipal water often taken the sign of the failure of government. It is the failure of government, local government, whatever local government inside the city. Suppose in Chittor there is the municipal council, Nagar Parishad, or in Chennai there is the municipal corporation. So it is the failure, it is the sign of failure of the local government. Local government unable to arrange the resources for their citizens. Local government unable to arrange the resources for their local citizens. So it was the sign of failure of government. Throughout the world, water supply responsibility is the government responsibility, and there are few example in the world where water supply facility given to the private contractors because if government will give the water supply facility to the private contractor, so they may be supplied to the people at the higher cost. Such cost may be too much higher compared than the government cost. That's why most of responsibility regarding the water supply is supplied by only government. In this era, industrialization, water pollution has become major problem. In present time, water pollution is major problem. Industrialization, water is required for the industrialization also, for a industrialization purpose. So that is another problem for a Chennai city. And clean drinking water supplied to the large population, supplied to the mass communication is required. Technology, water purify system is required. Pumps is required to carry the water from the water sources or supplied to the citizen in different colonies. So lot of technology is required for that. So that was the scene of Chennai regarding the water supply. First, most of people face the water shortage problem. All city face the water shortage problem during the summer. And most of people, which area face the water shortage problem, that faced by only poor locality where the poor people are located. Okay, whatever needs of their citizens regarding the water, म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन सप्लाई ऑफ एंड नीड्स आदि जितनी उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती थी उतना ही उनको दिया जाता था. सपोज एनी वन फैमिली मेंबर नीड ए 500 liter water, तो 250 liter or average water supply by the municipal corporation. And you know, for a water supply there are many challenges. At the same time water also required for industrialization, and also at the same time when industrialization maybe leak their waters in drainage, in rivers. So water pollution is another one problem for the government. And to supply water from the water collected from the water sources and later on it's supplied, purified to the citizens or supplied to the citizens. So it is technology is required. So you know lot of money is required for a water supply. Another one is in world we have seen there is the few cases where the water supply responsibility is given to the private contractor. So this was the case study of the Chennai regarding the water supply. At the end conclusion of this chapter is the public facility are related are basic needs or in Indian constitution as recognized right to water is given to us, health to related right given to us, education to related right to given as a big part of the right to life. Through the right to education, like a art is given, right to education for all citizens due to the economical, due to the financial condition. If any children may be unable to got a admission in a private school, so government is giving the government is giving the education facility through the RT, right to education. So such children who are below the poverty line maybe take the admission, and there are 25 seats are reserved in nursery classes. Till 8th classes, school can't give the TC for them, and these are the norms which set by the RT. And in all school, 25 seats are reserved through the RT quota. So right to education also given by the government. Right to water, right to health is are fundamental rights which given by the constitution. Another one, the major role of the government ensure the adequate public facilities available for all or not. It should be supervised the government. Supervision should be done by the government regarding the public facility, adequate or not, it is available for all not, it is the affordable for or not. Everyone can afford the cost of the minimum whatever charges collect by the government in replace of public facilities. Public facilities provided to everyone, and it should be better for each and everyone, and country get recognized at the international level in terms of development. If any nations maybe good public facilities are available, so such nation may be sign of the development. If any one area when you visit, there will be a good means of transport developed, metro train are located, you know, bus facilities are available, fast mode is available in that area. So in such conditions, we can maybe observe if such nation is developed. So it may be the when any nation has the good public facility, good education is centers, coaching classes, higher education setup, health facilities, medical hospitals, or like. So it is the sign of development. So it will be improve our rank in the world. Okay. So it is the sign of the international development also. The success of any government is also throughout the public facility what are provided to the their citizen. This facility finally become the building blocks and development of a nation. If any nation have the good public facility, so it is the sign of development. So this is the main motto of the chapter. You know, in this chapter we have discussed about the public facilities. We have discussed public facilities are available for everyone or individual or not. Government are providing on minimum cost or not. We have discussed case study of Chennai. Different area face the water shortage problem inside the Chennai. There was the Ramagopal example given, Shiva case study is given. Okay, Subramanian case study is given. So different case study we have seen. And regarding this problem, what are the constitution norms are written inside it? You know, these are the part of our fundamental rights. These are the part of right to life, whether we need such public facilities. And another one, what is the role of government regarding this public facility? How to government arrange this public facility by collecting the different revenue and taxes, and government are providing the such public facility, education, electricity, transport, health, to related, safe drinking water facilities. So these are the different examples we have discussed. At last paragraph, we have discussed a case inside the Chennai regarding the water supply, which are area face the water shortage problem. This area is the poor area, and people of the Chennai city, they are getting the often needs whatever water required by their daily needs. And during the summer, all city face the water shortage problem. And you know, budget is required for that. Technology is required for a water supply, because they will collect the water from the sources through the pump system. Later on, through the pressure, they maybe they install the pipeline also for supply of the water. Pipeline is required. Purified system is required. Pump stations are required to purify the water. Later on, it will supply to the individual or maybe inside through the colonies. So lot of technologies are required to supply the water, and we have discussed in this chapter. There is the few cases where the public facilities given to the private contractor. While government are not giving to the private contractor, you know very well, because they will be charged higher cost to the from the citizen. They will charge higher to the higher cost will be paid by the citizens. So that's why most of public facilities are provided by only government. So all this point, and if any nation have the good means of transport, education, health system, so it is the sign of development also. Our nation, growth of the nation also development, whatever facilities their citizens are getting. Through this facility, our children will grow. Suppose we are living in such area where is the good schools are available, good health facilities are available, so our children easily grow. Maybe in that area, they able to go to such facilities. तो their growth will depend on their public facility. हमारे बच्चों की ग्रोथ डिपेंड करती है बेटा पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज क्या क्या हमारे बच्चों को मिल रही, तो यू नो दिस आल्सो इज साइन ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट. So this all the point we have discussed. Regarding the means of transport, so there is the new means of transport launched by the Haryana government. There was the taxi started from the Delhi to Hisar between the Haryana, or air taxi, not a road taxi. Air taxi is started by the Haryana government from Delhi to Hisar, or you know charges 1700 rupees approximately. तो यू नो मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट जो डेवलप नेशन में ना, अब हम धीरे धीरे उनकी तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. एयर टैक्सी पहली बार इंडिया में स्टार्ट होगी. एयर टैक्सी मतलब फॉर सिटीजन कैन सिट, और एयर टैक्सी के थ्रू दे में भी. तो वन एज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम Isar between Delhi, another one Isar to Dehradun. So you know one state has started the such air taxi, or maybe later on other state will be follow the such means of transport. So you know in a, if you compare our country with the world, तो we are too much behind the other nation. हम बहुत से countries से बहुत पीछे हैं means of transport. दूसरे countries में you know फास्टेस्ट मोड ऑफ द ट्रांसपोर्ट रन कर रहे हैं. मेट्रो ट्रेन जहाँ पे 200 किलोमीटर की स्पीड से पर आवर ट्रेन चल रही है, जबकि हमारे यहाँ 110 और अब अपडेटेड होके 160 किलोमीटर पर आवर हुई. तो यू नो देर इज द लॉट ऑफ गुड फैसिलिटीज आर अवेलेबल इन अदर नेशंस. और यू नो रिगार्डिंग द हेल्थ, you know very well we have the lack of health facilities. That's why our patient visit the other nation for their health treatment. AIMS is the good facilities are available inside our country, I agree, but after that lot of improvement is required. Lot of efforts are required in health facilities. There are many diseases, you know, 1600 children are die per day before completing the 5-year age in our country by waterborne disease during at a single day. एक दिन के अंदर 1600 children are died due to the waterborne disease. So lot of efforts are required to improve the health facilities also for a nation, in our nation. You know, we are unable to provide the safe drinking water facilities for our citizens. Government is failure to provide the good medical treatment or public transport facility to the citizen. So lot of efforts are required, lot of needs are required to improve the such public facilities here. So we are too much behind if we compare our nation to the developed nation. So these efforts are required. So this is the chapter public facility here we have discussed, and I have summary of the chapter also. And on your WhatsApp group, I have post NCRT solution along with the notes. Notes I have also post on your WhatsApp group here. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you may be asked without any hesitation.